Okay, this is a quick tutorial on how to download responses from your Family Beyond the Center sign-in sheets or your Family Center weekly sign-in sheets. So let's get started. This is just a quick example. So what you're going to do first is you're going to open up the form where you want to download those responses from. Right now, we are downloading the responses from a Family Beyond the Center sign-in sheet. Once you are under that form, you're going to click on responses. In this current sheet, there are no responses, but in other sheets, for example, this one, which I'll show you what this will look like, it'll tell you how many responses you have received. When you first create a spreadsheet, you're going to click this little green icon and it's going to pop up and it says create spreadsheet. And under that, you are going to title it. My suggestion would be whatever that specific month is, or for Family Center, for Family Center sign-in sheets that are weekly, I would title it that week. So if it's August 3rd through August 6th, that would be the title for the weekly. Since this is Beyond the Center, I would make sure to title it according to the month. So this could be AMS, August, Beyond the Center 2020. And then you are going to hit create. Once it creates, it's going to automatically take you into a spreadsheet. Now let's go back to this elementary one where I actually have responses that I played with. This is what the responses are going to showcase. It's going to give you a timestamp. It's going to tell you what event that they chose, what the school was, etc., plus any other information they filled out that's necessary for ESP. Now, this is where you ensure that all of the information is correct, that families did put in the correct event. And if not, this is where you would change it or make any corrections. Once you have made your corrections and you would like to save your spreadsheet, what you're going to do is on the top left corner of the spreadsheet next to the titles. Remember, we have a title right here. You're going to see this little folder here where it says move. When you click on that folder, you are going to have the opportunity to actually save it in your Google Drive. I would suggest to ensure that up here it says My Drive and not Share with Me. You want to make sure that you're under My Drive. Click on the arrow. And if you have not made a folder for your sign-in sheets, I would create a folder by saying new folder, titling it a specific example. Right now, I'm just going to make an example. But for example, if this is a Beyond the Center sign-in sheets, I would put Beyond the Center sign-in sheets. So that I know what I am creating. Once I've created that folder, I can say move here. And this specific now spreadsheet is saved under my Google Drive under the Beyond the Center sign-in sheet. So that's how easy it is to create and save your spreadsheets under Google Drive. If you would like to download this specific spreadsheet, what you would do is you would actually click on File and then Download Microsoft Excel, and then it is going to create an Excel sheet that you can save in a specific folder within your computer. If you would like, it would be the same exact thing. That now it is downloaded into your computer. But that is it. That is how easy it is. Thank you.